Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Gemini Live on Android. So let's get straight into the video. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is open Gemini first. Then simply go ahead and tap on the bottom right live icon right over here. And as you can see, it is right over here.
Take a quick look at this important information.
I'm just going to go ahead and tap on start. Hi Gemini, I'm making a video on how to use Gemini Live on Android. So please let me know how can I simply go ahead and narrate it, make it very short, okay?
Got it. Start by saying just tap the Gemini Live icon on your screen, then explain, now you can talk to Gemini like a friend, ask questions, get ideas, or just chat. Finally, finish with, and to pause or use the controls on the screen. That's it. How does that sound?
So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. For more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.